With cultural extravaganza, Guwahati Salesians welcomed the delegates of South Asia region. The delegates of Social Communication and Formation of South Asia region meet for the first time in Guwahati from the 1st to 6th August 2022. The meeting was coordinated by the general councillors of both the sectors in the Salesian congregation. While the formal inaugural function was held at 9 a.m. on the 2nd of August 2022, in the evening a cultural extravaganza was held in the amphitheatre of Don Bosco Institute, Kharguli, to welcome and facilitate the councillors and the delegates who attended the meeting. The Salesians of Guwahati province, particularly the students of the Don Bosco Institute, entertained the participants with lots of cultural songs and dances to depict the rich culture of the Northeast India. During the program, a book authored by His Grace Archbishop Emeritus Thomas Menamparimple titled Values Must Come Alive was also released by Father Gildacio Mendes, the General Counsellor of Social Communication.